What is good, GR Nation? So today we're going to react to CHAEYOUNG from Twice Shoot Firecracker. Alright guys, so I can't wait to see this. Here we go. There she is. Oh my god. So pretty. What the heck? She in the back rooms? Hey. So beautiful. Hey, what in the world? Cute. Slingshot? That's a giant seed. Bunnies. Ooh. Trying to get that giant avocado? Is that a pear or an avocado? Hey. She's like Alice in Wonderland a little bit. What in the world? What the heck? Oh, the hairstyle though. Ooh. Making ice cream? It's a giant cake. It's delicious. Jello. Ooh. What in the world? Okay. Okay. What in the world? This is cute. The hairstyle. This is obviously Alice in Wonderland. Is that Spot? From the Spider-Verse? Whoa. Hey. It's so adorable. Yeah. Yo. Hey. Yeah. So talented. Oh wow. Okay. She has pretty eyes though. Alright guys, this is our reaction to CHAEYOUNG Shoot Firecracker. Alright guys, so what do you guys think about this? Was it good? Yeah, this is so catchy. It's a solid debut. Alright guys, so support our debut. Alright guys, if you guys reaction, don't subscribe. Alright guys, I'll see you soon.